Without using a calculator, find the exact value of sine 22.5 degrees plus cos 22.5 degrees all squared. You must show each stage of your working. Show that cos 2 theta plus sine theta equals 1 may be written in this form, stating the value of k. Hence, solve for theta between 0 and 360 degrees, this equation. So there's the problem then. Here it is here. So let's have a look at part 1. So here, let's square this bracket. We'll get sine squared 22.5 plus 2 sine cos. These are the middle terms, and there's 2 of them. Plus the cos squared. So sine squared, first term squared, plus this times that. So they're both the same, so there's 2 lots of those. Plus the cos squared, so we've just expanded that bracket. Now sine squared plus cos squared is 1. And this is 2 sine cos, which is sine 2 theta, isn't it? 222.5, so sine 45. So that's equal to 1 plus sine 45 is root 2 over 2. And that's what we get then. That's the exact value. Part 2. A. Show that cos 2 theta plus sine theta may be written as this. So cos 2 theta is cos squared minus sine squared, but it's also 1 minus 2 sine squared, isn't it? Plus the sine theta equals 1. So this is what we've got here. So move the 2 sine squared over. Move the sine theta over. That becomes a minus sine theta. Leave the 1 as is, and this one they cancel. So the 1 and the 1 will cancel both sides, so it's equal to 0, which is what we wanted. So k equals 2. Hence, solve for theta between 0 and 360, this equation here. So this is B. Now, what have we got then? So this equation is none other than this. Take a sine theta outside a bracket. Inside you'll have 2 sine theta minus the 1 equals 0, implies, so what do we get? So sine theta equals 0, or sine theta from this one, and this one is sine theta is a half, isn't it? So let's have a look then. So the first one, 0 to 360, CAST. We can take sine as positive, it's 0, but we'll just take it as positive here and here. Alpha is the associated acute angle, so sine alpha is 0. That tells us that alpha is 0, doesn't it? So theta will equal, in the range of 0 to 360, it will be 0 and then round to 180. But the range stops short of 360 itself, doesn't it? So it doesn't touch 360, but it touched 0. So those are the only 2 solutions from that one. This one, again, CAST. Sine is positive here and here. Draw 2 lines again. Mark off alpha. The associated acute angle. Simply write sine alpha as a half. So that tells us that alpha is 30 degrees, doesn't it? Shift sine of a half. So the first solution is round to here, 30 degrees. And the next solution is round to here, which is round 180 back 30, which is 150 degrees. And then the next solution is outside the range. So those are the complete solution set then for theta. Theta is 0, 30 degrees, 150 degrees and 180 degrees.